Some videos make you scroll past. Others make you stop dead in your tracks. It usually takes millions of dollars in movie gear to get that reaction, but I'm about to prove you can do it for free. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through creating a hyper-realistic car crash scene using AI. So convincing, even you might forget it's fake. Imagine this, a Rolls-Royce sitting quietly. Bam! A massive boulder drops from the sky, crushing it, dust and debris flying everywhere. It's all fake, but so convincing it feels ripped from a Hollywood stunt scene. These clips are short, shocking, and impossible to look away from. You blink, it's over, and you're already replaying it. That's the viral magic we're going to recreate today, using free AI tools, no budget, and just a bit of creativity. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to make your own AI car crash video, from finding a viral example to generating cinematic images, animating them, and even adding sound effects. Step 1. Find your viral inspiration. To start, pick a viral clip to reverse engineer. While researching, I discovered 3 insanely popular channels dominating the car crash niche. Deep Vid's channel, 255 videos, nearly 61 million views, and 33,000 subscribers, known for jaw-dropping slow-motion impacts. Whisker's channel, 34 videos, 222 subscribers, and over 130,300 views, specializing in luxury car and plane destruction. Ayub and a Chat channel, 81,000 subscribers, 369 videos, over 76,907,969 total views, including one viral short where a massive boulder crashes down onto a Rolls-Royce in spectacular slow motion, a clip that's pulled in over thousands of views on its own. These channels prove just how much attention high-impact cinematic crash scenes can command. You can save a reference video easily. Simply, go to the creator's Instagram or YouTube. Copy the link of the clip you want. Search Instagram Video Downloader or YouTube Downloader on Google. Paste the link, download the video, and you're ready to study it. Step 2. Break the clip into keyframes. We need 3 important shots to recreate the scene. Setup. The moment before impact, e.g. boulder hanging above the car. Impact, the boulder hitting the car. Aftermath, the crushed car and debris cloud. Take screenshots of these moments. On Windows, press Windows plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool. Drag over the frame and copy it. Step 3. Get AI to write your image and video prompts. For each scene, feed ChatGPT this exact request. Please analyze the 3 provided images. Based on the analysis, create 2 separate, highly detailed creative prompts. A text-to-image prompt that captures the scene of the excavator carrying a massive boulder above a Rolls-Royce, with all key visual elements intact. An image-to-video prompt that animates the moment of the excavator releasing the boulder onto the car from height, highlighting dramatic motion, few dust, and atmosphere, while ensuring the car is significantly damaged. Include a camera instruction that captures the entire scene from a single glance. Boom. ChatGPT will provide the following analyses of the 3 images. After that, it will give you the prompts. Prompt for Scene 1. Describing your scene in cinematic detail. Video prompt for Scene 1. Specifying how the camera should move, how dust should fall, and how the boulder should drop. These prompts are your blueprint for the viral shot. Step 4. Turn text into stunning images. We'll use Leonardo.ai or any advanced AI image generator, like Ideogram, for this step. Paste the image prompt from ChatGPT into Leonardo.ai. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Click Generate. In seconds, you'll have 4 ultra-realistic images to choose from. Pick the one with the best composition, the boulder in midair, the car positioned dramatically, workers reacting. It should instantly tell a story. Step 5. Animate your scene for this. We'll use Vidu. Open Vidu.ai and sign up with your Gmail. Go to the Image to Video section. Upload the image you generated in Leonardo.ai. Paste in the matching video prompt from ChatGPT. Choose your format, 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for horizontal. Click Generate. In under a minute, you'll have an 8-second animated clip, complete with cinematic camera sweeps, dust clouds, and a falling boulder. Step 6. Create more viral ideas instantly. Once you've made one video, you can scale this endlessly. Ask ChatGPT, generate 5 more distinct cinematic destruction concepts with matching image prompts and video prompts in the same style. You'll instantly have multiple ready-to-produce ideas, from exploding helicopters to flooding streets, all AI generated. Step 7. Optional. Use other image generators. If you want variety, try Ideogram, Dezeen, or other tools. The workflow stays the same. Step 8. Add custom sound effects. A great visual needs great sound. You will generate audio effects that matches your scenes. For this, use 11 Labs sound effects. Give ChatGPT your video prompt and ask it to create a matching sound effect prompt. Paste that prompt into 11 Labs sound effects tab, generate, preview, and download your favorite sound. Sync it with your video in any editor. This step turns your clip from cool to sin. Step 9. Creating custom background music in Suno AI. Remember, music sets the mood. Open Suno and sign up. Select instrumental so the track doesn't distract from visuals. Ask ChatGPT for a style suggestion that matches your scene. Paste the style into Suno, give your track a title, and click Create. Choose your favorite of the generated tracks and download it. Let's put it all together in CapCut. Import all your animated clips into CapCut. Move watermarks by cropping or scaling. Add transitions. Choose one style and apply it to all clips for consistency. Import your Suno background soundtrack. Trim it to fit the video. Import the sound effects you generated from 11 Labs. Place them exactly at the right moments. Preview your video, make final adjustments, and export in up to 4K resolution. You now have a full workflow to create infinite short viral videos. Just post and go viral. Find a concept. Break it into key shots. Use AI to generate prompts. Render stills. Animate them. Add sound, all without cameras, sets, or big budgets. If you keep experimenting with crazy scenarios, you'll have an endless supply of addictive, replay-worthy videos that get people to stop scrolling. And there you have it, your complete guide to making AI-powered car crash videos that look like blockbuster movie scenes. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's keep building your viral content factory.